Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up your Honda Odyssey garage door opener. First, park your Odyssey safely outside the garage. Next, locate the home link buttons, typically found on the overhead console. You will also need your original garage door remote control. This easy method will have you opening your garage door with your car in just a few minutes. Let's get started with the first step. To begin programming, press and hold the two outer home link buttons on your Odyssey until the indicator light starts to flash slowly. This clears any previous settings. Now, hold your original garage door remote control about 1 to 3 inches away from the home link buttons. Simultaneously press and hold both the button on your original remote and the specific home link button you wish to program. Keep holding until the indicator light changes. Once the home link indicator light flashes rapidly, remote programming is complete. Next, you'll sync with your garage door motor. Locate the Learn or Smart button on your opener motor unit, usually on the back. Press it once. The motor's indicator light should illuminate. Quickly return to your Odyssey and press the newly programmed home link button 3 times. Your garage door should now respond. Now it's time to test your new setup. Press the programmed home link button in your Odyssey to confirm it opens and closes your garage door. If it doesn't work on the first try, don't worry. Simply repeat the programming steps, paying close attention to the timing and ensuring all buttons are pressed correctly. Remember, practice makes perfect. Also, for other great deals and the link to those amazing darn tough socks, check the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.